To create your Barbicide solution, you will need 4 cups of water. After adding 4 cups of water to your jar, you will then add 2 ounces of Barbicide. Then mix the solution until it is a light blue consistency, or similar to the color of Windex. Congratulations! That is how you make your Barbicide solution like a true professional.